Assalamu alaikum Asad bhai.
Oh, my dear, walaikum salam. How are you?
Good. Thank you so much. Asad bhai, मैं आज का क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि what do you think about the relation, please?
That's a very, very important question, my dear.
Thank you.
We have to be very, very careful relating with the outside. That's a very, very important because I don't trust any relation. Like if you are getting connection with the outsider, that's always ending in disaster situation. As in our religion, it's a very, very close message. If anybody at that time, because the people were traveling in the camels and it was really all time. So if anybody at that time, our Prophet says, if anybody knock the door and say it's very cold and it's a rain,
Yes.
we come in.
Yes.
And Prophet says, no, never. Just give him place outside and give him 1, 2, 3 blanket even. No need to give place inside your home. That's a very, very big thing. So if his camel is entering his face into the window, just beat with the stick and take his neck outside.
Outside.
Not in the inside. You can now understand how relations are bad with the out. Especially, I don't trust if people are working outside and women are working outside, and end of the day, there are million stories are like this.
Right.
And the family life disturbed. And for God's sake, I always say, especially in our community, people say, oh, Maulvi is teaching and he's a man. Never. There's no relation between woman and a man. Very clear. If anybody like, anybody don't like, I don't care. But there's no relation between 90% disaster comes whenever the relation comes like this. So we have to be very, very careful about this. So you can see in Canada how many families destroy because sometimes people are coming to the home and husband is working somewhere,
Right.
and the relation develop and man is going somewhere, woman is going somewhere,
Right.
and the kids are suffering.
Exactly.
There's no, only your relation is with your husband, with your wife. Nobody else. You cannot give chance to anybody. She's going with cousin and this. There's no cousin.
There's no cousin.
Even two enemies are traveling when a woman to long drive. End of the journey, you will see they are together like this.
Oh.
So please, very careful when you are working somewhere. When you are, I don't agree the woman should go for the work. Only a man should work. Even you are getting half bread, is more than
Enough. Yeah.
because most important is how you can live happy life. That's a very, very important. For God say, be careful with the relationing. No relation at all with the outsider.
That's right.
Because I know if I say this one, some ladies will be upset, and because they just want to enjoy with this. And end of the day, family destroy, kid destroy, woman destroy, man destroy. Why?
Why is
Only relation with your husband, wife should be, man should be in relation with the wife. That's it. If you want to be enjoy, if you want to be in a happy life, that's because ultimately kids suffer. Why the kids should suffer? Stupid. You can see in North American country, in Western country, what is going on?
What's going
At
on?
end of the day, they are very much isolated. Life is finished.
Right.
Even
Right.
in England, there are more than humans. There are dogs are there.
Yeah.
Why? Because they develop the things like this, and they are suffering a lot. So
Right.
I don't agree. Only relationship with your own family. That's it.
That's
Nobody
it.
outside.
Okay.
Nobody should allow to enter in your home. You can take the example. If you allow to somebody to in your home, and you will see after he will be very quiet and very innocent few days.
Right.
After you will see how he will understand each and everything and what it will be.
Right,
what it
right.
will be. So,
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much, Asad bhai. I really appreciate. It's very important information you give it to us.
Because I told you before, one man he was very much preaching Islam and other thing, and when he came to Canada, because everybody respected person is very much with
Very
Islam
precious,
and
yeah.
thing. And end of the day, he was living with his house. He was a professor in university, and he was busy with the university thing. And finally, he came to know his wife, and that man will preach when religious person together.
Right.
And life calm.
Life is gone then. Everybody suffer.
Yeah, you agree with me?
Absolutely, 100% I'm agree with you. Absolutely. Okay, thank you, Azad bhai. Thank you so very much, sir. It's a very important information you gave it to us. Thank you. We see you some other time. Thank you.